Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign into the same Microsoft account on Windows 10 and the Android app. Open Settings on Windows, search your phone, and launch the app. On Android, install your phone companion and grant permissions for calls, SMS, notifications, and storage so the link can access content. Once done, click Add a Phone on Windows and follow the QR or sign-in prompts to start pairing. This creates the secure bridge needed for sync. After the initial prompt, scan the QR code or tap the sign-in link sent to your phone, accept the pairing request, and allow the app to run in background so Windows can fetch messages and notifications. Make sure you enable notification access and battery exceptions to avoid kills. Without these, the connection drops. Then open your phone app on PC, toggle on contacts, messages, photos, and calls syncing so data flows both ways. Once permissions are persistent, the apps will begin updating automatically. Finish by testing. Send an SMS from Windows, place a call, and open Photos to confirm access. If something fails, don't panic. First toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, relaunch both apps, and ensure both devices use the same Microsoft account. If problems persist, sign out and back in or repair the phone from your phone app. One key troubleshooting tip: check battery optimization on Android and disable it for the companion app, because aggressive power saving is the most common cause of dropped connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.